Hello there, beautiful people. You want to know how to show different prices for customers in Shopify without using any applications? That's exactly what I'm about to show you, and it's very, very easy. Without any more talking, let's jump to it. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously access Shopify dashboard. If you are on Shopify dashboard, on the left panel right here, you see markets, click on it, then click on catalogs. As you can see, it says catalogs, click on it, and you might see some catalogs in case you created any. If you don't, click on create catalog. But either way, you have to create a catalog. So click on create catalog, and I'm gonna name it, for example, custom pricing. Now below there is the pricing options in here. So there is an adjustment by percentage for all the products. For example, if I did 5%, all the products, they will change the price by decrease of 5%, as you can see. So this is a universal. In case you don't want to play around with the pricing manually, you can use the percentage to adjust. For example, 7%, all they will be decreased by 7%, as you can see. However, if you want to do it manually, like hard work, you can do so. And let me delete this one. You can scroll down and simply click on each product and adjust the pricing however you want, as you can see. So you can do either, whatever suits your purpose. So by the way, if you want to exclude some products, because it will not show you the option yet, to exclude some products, simply click on save first, then it will show you the option to select some of the products here. Let me select this one, for example. Then you can click on exclude from catalog. If you click on exclude from catalog, click on exclude, it will be removed from the catalog. So this one will not be applied the price adjustment you do. If I click on excluded, this price will have the same pricing, the normal pricing I mean. And you can enable or disable this one, which automatically includes your product for the adjustment you did on the catalog or not. Now, after you adjust the pricing you want, the big question is to who, which customers you want to show this pricing to. So there is two options in here, basically based on what you're trying to achieve. If you do wholesale or B2B on Shopify, you will have to create a market. It actually depends on your plan. If you're using standard or grow or advanced plans, then you have to create a separate market and select it from here. For example, the B2B market, select it from here, for example, Argentina. Then you go to the company profile or the B2B client. Then you assign this particular market for that client. I mean B2B client. And I did cover this in multiple of my videos. However, if you're using Plus on Shopify, using the Plus plan, you can simply switch from here market to company location and add the company you want to assign this catalog or this specific pricing, as I should say. However, if you're not working with B2B or wholesale, you want to offer this pricing to just the normal customers, that's very simple. Simply assign the market. Let me switch from market from here and simply add a market. For example, I want only customers from Argentina to have this pricing that I did adjust. I can select Argentina and click on done, and this specific pricing on this catalog, they will be shown only for customers from Argentina. And of course, you can select multiple regions, for example, Argentina and Europe and Malaysia, and click on done. Now, this specific pricing with this product excluded, it will be shown to customers in these countries, as you can see. And Europe is a continent, sorry about that. So now just the normal customers, they will see from this specific countries or continent as well, they will see that specific pricing that you did adjust. And that's how you show different pricing for customers on Shopify. If you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching, catch you on the next one.